like pine air freshener. I love the morning, don't you, Raj?
The thought of going to this creepy lake is making my uvula do the cha-cha.
Hey, Raj, look!
It's gleaming.
Is that for fishing?
Fast boat! Fast boat!
Wow! What an impressive watercraft!
Laszlo, this looks like Lumpus's boat. We should not be messing about.
Come on, Raj, it's cool. We're just gonna look.
This does not look like a fishing boat. It looks more like a spaceship.
Yeah! Let's play spaceship! Ground control to Major Clam. Initiate launch sequence.
Initiate launch sequence.
Ground control to Major Laszlo. Pressurized cabin, over. Major Laszlo, pressurizing cabin, over. Close pod bay doors.
Closing pod bay doors.
Rotate tires.
Rotating tires.
Laszlo,
Engage wipers.
Engaging wipers.
I think we should be careful.
Eject CD changer.
Ejecting CD changer.
Laszlo, I'm not comfortable with...
Turn on hazard lights.
Default windshield.
Engage passenger side
Laszlo!
airbags.
Laszlo!